So in this video, I'm just going through a little bit sped up of me doing a home print on my Canon PRO-310 of a client image. Now, it's not my first time printing, but this was my first time mounting for a client, and you'll see that a bit later on in this video. So at the moment, you can see I've got the TIFF, a flattened TIFF file opened in Photoshop. And I'm just trying to go through and make sure that I get the image laid out exactly as I want it. So you can see I'm resizing it for an 8x10 pre-cut mount. And I go through a few iterations of this just to make sure that it's going to print exactly as I want it. Obviously, making sure that I've remembered that I am allowing Photoshop to manage colours, and just here you can see that I am removing the option for the print to use its own colour management, and that is really important. I tested that myself to see what happens, and the colours are all wrong. So I left this one not quite as sped up as some of the other clips, just so you can see the amount of time it takes. If you're going to print at the prices of these papers, I'm using a Hahnemühle hemp, which is 290 GSM in A4. And I want every image to come out perfect, so it does take me some time. I'm sure that maybe I will get faster. But when it's for client work or for panel, I want it to be perfect. And just checking there. I've already proofed this, but just checking, and finally I hit print. This has been sped up significantly. So this clip was originally 8 minutes long. I've removed some and sped it up. So the process, once you've sent it to print for this one image, was 8 minutes for it to agitate the inks and actually print the image out, which wasn't particularly entertaining to watch. And now here I have got my mount out, and you can see that I am using white gloves to handle the paper itself. So although I'm working with very clean hands with no lotions on, we do still have acids and oils on our skin. And I've literally just taken the gloves off here because it was very, very tricky to position the two mount boards accurately and to pop the tape on with the gloves on. And you can see then I have popped them back on. Again, the mount and backing board are, well, the mat and backing board are acid-free archival, so that means that they will last a long time. And the reason I'm mounting this way and not a hot mount or a dry mount is that this is actually recoverable. So if you wanted to demount the image, then that is possible to do so. We're using the tape that I had is the PH770, and you don't need a lot. I've chosen to mount this way rather than, for example, a T-hinge. But I know that this image is going to go on to be framed by the recipient themselves. This is a new service that I'm now offering to actually have mounted prints from myself without a frame, but only in a 10x8, or I can print up to around A3. So we've now got that completely mounted. You can see that's sitting just as I wanted it. So all that extra effort was definitely worthwhile. And now we put it into a little cellophane bag to protect it, and it will go on to be boxed as well, ready for delivery to the recipient, to my client. The dog in the picture is the absolutely gorgeous Bonnie, who was an absolute joy to photograph. And her owner also chose a multi-aperture frame to get as many photos as she could within her budget. And there's the finished piece.